Welcome back to our channel, where today, we're diving into the world of carpentry to highlight 7 best chisels for carpentry projects and DIY. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or just getting started with your first DIY project, having the right chisels can make a world of difference. Each of these tools is designed to offer precision, durability, and ease of use, ensuring that your woodworking projects turn out exactly as you envision them. Let's get into the nitty-gritty and explore what makes each of these chisels a must-have for your toolkit. Number 1. Hurricane 4-Piece Wood Chisel Set. The Hurricane 4-Piece Wood Chisel Set is the perfect blend of quality and affordability, crafted specifically for woodworkers looking for reliability. Each chisel in this set features an ergonomic handle, ensuring a comfortable grip during prolonged use. The handles are made from durable, shock-resistant polypropylene, which translates to less fatigue while you're chiseling away at your project. The blades are crafted from high-carbon steel, known for its exceptional edge retention and sharpness. Each blade is also finely honed to deliver a clean cut, minimizing the effort needed to achieve smooth finishes. With chisels in various widths from 1/4 to 1 inches, this set allows you to tackle a variety of tasks, from detailed carving to mortising. Durability is a key trait here. The blades are not only rust-resistant, but can withstand heavy use without compromising their integrity. This set is a fantastic choice for both beginners and seasoned pros who appreciate quality without breaking the bank. Overall, the Hurricane 4-Piece Wood Chisel Set provides the versatility and durability that any woodworker can appreciate.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Grebstk 4-Piece Wood Chisel Set. Next up is the Grebstk 4-Piece Wood Chisel Set, tailored for carpenters who prioritize precision and craftsmanship in their work. The standout feature of these chisels is their finely ground blades made from high-quality forged steel, which is specifically engineered to maintain sharpness even after repeated use. This means more time chiseling and less time sharpening. The design also embraces efficiency, with a polished finish on the blades that reduces friction, allowing for smoother cuts through various types of wood. The ergonomic wooden handles provide not only a sturdy grip, but also a touch of elegance, making them pleasing to use. Plus, each handle features a durable steel striking surface, designed for hammering without the fear of damage. The set includes 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, and 1 chisels, making it versatile for a slew of projects, from detailed work to larger tasks like mortise and tenon joints. This combination of durability and usability makes the Grebstk 4-Piece Wood Chisel Set an exceptional option for both hobbyists and professional furniture makers. Number 3. Amazon Basics 8-Piece Wood Carving Chisel Set. When it comes to accessibility and functionality, the Amazon Basics 8-Piece Wood Carving Chisel Set is a formidable contender. This set includes various chisels that cater to diverse woodworking needs, whether you're into intricate carving or simply need some reliable chisels for basic tasks. What sets these chisels apart is their practical design. Each chisel features a soft grip handle that ensures comfort and control, a vital element when working for extended periods. You'll find that each blade is made from tempered steel, boasting excellent hardness and the ability to maintain a sharp edge through regular use. This set is a great starter kit for beginners, offering everything you need at an attractive price point. One of the standout features is the inclusion of 4 different blade shapes, straight chisels and angled chisels, to make it easier to execute your creative vision. Whether you're working with softwoods or hardwoods, this set proves effective and durable, ensuring your projects turn out beautifully. With the Amazon Basics brand backing it, you can also trust its quality and reliability, making it a wise choice for all types of woodworkers. Number 4. Dewalt Pro Wood Chisel Set 3-Piece. Dewalt is synonymous with quality in the woodworking realm, and the Dewalt Pro Wood Chisel Set is no exception. This 3-piece set offers a solid combination of performance and durability that will appeal to professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The set includes 1/4, 1/2, and 1 chisels, making it versatile enough for numerous applications. The blades are made from high-carbon steel, engineered for edge retention and sharpness, ensuring you'll make clean, effortless cuts every time. What truly differentiates this set is the innovative design. The blades are reinforced with anti-corrosion technology, providing longer life even after heavy use. Each handle is crafted from rubber and features a strong steel cap, which not only enhances grip but also allows for effective use with a mallet or hammer. These chisels excel for tasks such as detailing and mortise cutting, making them a fantastic choice for furniture building or cabinet making. Number 5. Trend Hinge Recess Squaring Corner Chisel. If precise hinge cuts are what you need, look no further than the Trend Hinge Recess Squaring Corner Chisel. This specialized tool simplifies the often tedious task of chiseling out hinge recesses, offering an unmatched level of accuracy. The blade is meticulously ground for sharpness, making it perfect for square corners and tight tolerances. Constructed from high-grade steel, this corner chisel boasts excellent durability and resistance to wear, making it a reliable tool in your arsenal. The design focuses on user comfort. The handle is robust yet easy to grip, allowing for strong downward pressure without discomfort. The blade length allows for versatile application on various materials, from softwoods to hardwoods. The Trend Hinge Recess Squaring Corner Chisel is an effective tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts working on doors, cabinets, or any project requiring hinge installation. Its precision makes it stand out in a crowded tool market, and its durability ensures you won't need a replacement anytime soon. If you want your fitting to be seamless and clean, this chisel is the right choice. Number 6. Hawerk Wood Chisel Sets 6-piece. A Hawerk wood chisel set comes with 6 chisels, ranging from 6mm to 25mm, providing a wide array of options for any project requiring precise chiseling. These chisels are crafted from high-quality steel, designed with both strength and sharpness in mind. Each blade is tempered to ensure longevity, and they resist chipping, making them an excellent investment for any woodworking enthusiast. What's more, the blades feature polished edges that glide smoothly through wood, reducing resistance and allowing for effortless clean cuts. The handles, made from solid wood with a comfortable grip, provide excellent control and precision. This ergonomic design ensures that you can work for longer periods without discomfort. The versatility of this set is noteworthy. Whether you're into basic carpentry or intricate wood carving, you'll find every tool you need within this collection. With the added benefit of a protective case for safe storage, the Hawerk Wood Chisel Set combines usability, quality, and convenience, making it one of the best choices available for both new and experienced woodworkers. Number 7. Kakuri Japanese Wood Chisel Set. Lastly, let's talk about the Kakuri Japanese Wood Chisel Set, a true gem for those who appreciate traditional craftsmanship. These chisels feature a unique design, rooted in Japanese woodworking heritage, combining modern technology with age-old techniques. Each blade is constructed from superior Yasuki steel, known in Japan for its exceptional sharpness and edge retention. The handles, made from natural wood, provide an aesthetically pleasing look while ensuring a firm grip during use. One of the signature traits of Kakuri chisels is their ability to offer finely detailed cuts, making them ideal for intricate woodworking designs. Whether you're making fine furniture or detailed carvings, this set excels in precision. With varying sizes included in the set, you will find tools that cater to a wide array of applications, allowing you to tackle complex projects with ease. The overall craftsmanship in this set reflects years of tradition, capturing the heart of Japanese woodwork while providing outstanding functionality. If you're serious about taking your woodworking skills to the next level, the Kakuri Japanese Wood Chisel Set is a top-tier choice that embodies quality and performance. And there you have it, the 7 best chisels for carpentry projects and DIY. Each of these chisels brings something unique to the table, equipped to help you tackle whatever woodworking challenge you might face. The right tools can significantly improve your efficiency and results. So, which one would you choose for your toolkit? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Until next time.